Today, OLED TVs offer outstanding picture quality at an affordable price. This makes them one of the most obvious choices for both home TV and digital signage installations. Let's look at which models you should pay special attention to when choosing an OLED TV in 2024. Hi all, I'm Gabriel and you're watching the Look Digital Signage channel, where we're talking about everything related to digital screens in one way or another. By tradition, let's start by subscribing to the channel and pushing the bell here, because there is still so much interesting and useful content ahead that you should be the first one to know about it. Excellent, thank you. Well, first let's take a brief look at what sets OLED displays apart from other common options on the market today. The main feature is organic light emitting diodes, on the basis of which the display matrix operates. They emit light on their own, thus eliminating the need for additional backlighting, which is used in the same LED TVs and QLEDs. More than that, thanks to this technology, the brightness of each pixel can be adjusted individually up to complete shutdown, producing exceptional deep blacks and incredible contrast between light and dark areas that are simply not achievable with other types of displays. Today, OLED TVs face competition from new mini-LED and microLED TVs, which also offer high levels of contrast and brightness. However, the price, which is still noticeably lower for OLED TVs, makes a difference. At the same time, it's worth noting that OLED TVs have one drawback, which is important when used as digital signage. On static pictures that do not change for a long time, their pixels may burn out, leaving visible marks on the matrix. For example, this may be relevant in cases with digital menus. However, the problem can be prevented quite simply. Change your content often and use more videos. After all, digital signage shouldn't be static, right? Okay, now let's move on to the models that we have carefully selected for this review. We're starting with, as we think, the best budget option, the 55-inch version, of which you can get for just over $1,000. Meet LG B3. This model is available in sizes from 55 to 77 inches. It uses LG A7 AI processor, Gen 6 for image and audio processing, supporting Dolby Vision HDR, Dolby Digital and Dolby Atmos. Thanks to its excellent overall picture quality with 4K support and 120Hz refresh rate, the LG B3 is perfect for watching movies or displaying high-resolution content in case of digital signage usage. But it is also a good option for gamers due to its useful game optimizer feature with VRR and ALLM support. This TV is powered by LG WebOS 23 and compatible with Amazon Alexa, Apple HomeKit and Google Assistant. The next model on the list continues the line of the famous Korean manufacturer. This is the LG C4, which comes in the widest range of sizes among all options in today's review. Actually, this model is a step forward for LG's mid-range line panels, which are, as a rule, LG's most popular OLED TVs, because they usually have almost all the features of the top G series, but at a more affordable price. For example, a 42-inch panel will only cost you about $1,300. For this money, you will get an absolutely new LG A9 AI Gen 7 processor designed to deliver better overall image processing and the ability to play at up to 144Hz refresh rate, which is an increase from the 120Hz maximum on models from the last few years. This model is noticeably brighter than its predecessors, which provides a sharper and richer picture, which is certainly important in terms of digital signage. An excellent UI is provided by the latest LG WebOS 24. It is also worth noting great sound provided by two built-in 40-watt speakers and 4 HDMI 2.1 inputs for a better gaming experience. But let's move on. And next up is the Sony A80L, which is perhaps the best option in the mid-range segment. In fact, this model is a direct competitor to the C series from LG, which we just talked about. With sizes ranging from 55 to 83 inches, The price for this model starts at $1,400 US. The picture quality is what really sets this TV apart from its competitors. It is capable of producing a clearer, denser and more voluminous image thanks to the proprietary Sony XR cognitive processor. It analyzes the content and recreates it in the same way humans see and hear in real world. For example, it understands where humans tend to focus in a picture, like the main character in a movie, for example. There's also Sony Acoustic Surface Audio Plus technology, which turns the screen itself into a speaker, in this case combined with subwoofers for richer sound. We have the last and, of course, the best two options in line. Let's start with the Samsung S90C, which I would call the best OLED TV for mere mortals. Since for a 55-inch TV in this case, you would pay, although not more but still an adequate price for an average person, around $1,700 US. But believe me, there is something to pay for here. The S90C features Samsung's flagship 2023 Neural Quantum 4K processor, which uses 20 neural networks that apply multiple AI-based enhancements to incoming sources, resulting in improved upscaling of low-resolution content to the TV's native 4K display. And this is, as you understand, may be highly useful in case of digital signage deployments. The S90C is stunningly bright, over 1000 nits, and has outstanding image contrast even by OLED standards. Moreover, it offers a wide range of connectivity and gaming features, like 4K graphics at 120 Hz with VRR on all 4 HDMI ports. Well, next up is the champion of today's rating, the flagship model from Sony, Bravia A95L. This model is available in 3 sizes of 55, 65 and 77 inches, powered by a cognitive processor, XR, and has a Google TV on board. The main advantage of this model is the stunning picture provided by QD OLED technology. The secret of its stunning picture is a combination of OLED deep blacks and outrageous contrast ratio with the brightness and colors of quantum dots. In addition, this series offers even more gaming features than other models in this selection. And don't forget about the Bravia cam that comes with this TV for free. You can easily use it for chatting for gestures control. If you liked everything you heard, break out your piggy banks and get ready to pay from $2,500 to $4,500 US, depending on the size. Well, these are all the models that were included in today's selection. I'm sure that among them, you will be able to find something suitable for your project. However, when selecting displays for digital signage projects, I would still recommend that you also consider purchasing commercial-grade displays. In this video, we talked about them in more detail. Also, don't forget that any TV without digital signage software is just a TV. See for yourself with the Lux 14-day free trial or book a personal demo to find out more. Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below, and please put your thumbs up if you liked the video. Gabriel was with you, and see you soon.